does diversification benefit investor? Is having diversified portfolio beneficial? To help you get answers to these investment questions, we have our investment expert Manish with us. Manish, over to you.
You should have investments to equity markets. You should have investments to debt mutual funds like liquid, etc. You should also have investment to gold. The reason is this table clearly highlights that there are years when equity markets perform well. There are years when fixed income or debt mutual funds does well. There are years when gold does well. So the simple method is that don't put all your eggs in one basket. That means you should not be completely 100% invested in gold, or you should not be 100% invested in banks fixed deposit, or you should not be 100% invested in equity. You should have a proper asset allocation between various asset classes. Put your eggs in different baskets so that your wealth creation journey is much better.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.